the enemy is sitting outside, but we don't know when he will attack on us. Only one thing we can do to give our body proper food, proper diet, proper sleep, proper water, and increase our immunity. So in this video I am going to tell you how to increase your immunity, how to boost your immunity within 5 minutes with this very simple exercise. So are you ready to start? So first I will tell you, then we both together we will do. So let's start. So for this you will sit in a comfortable sitting position. You can sit on the ground or you can sit on the chair, whatever you are preferred. So for this your spine should be erect. There is no bending forward or backward. The spine should be erect, and hand position are here on the thighs, so it's better movement. And you can sit on the Vajrasana. It's very good for this practice. It open the chest, open the lungs, open the stomach areas, so it's good. The movement is also good in the Vajrasana position. So you can sit like this on the Vajrasana, like this. So this is Vajrasana. You are sitting on your heels. Now we do breathing. The breathing is simple. You have to inhale for 2 times and exhale for 2 times. So when you are inhaling, inhale from the nose, and you exhale from the mouth. So how to inhale? First inhale short and then long. So in one breath we are doing the 2 time inhalation. So first like this, then second is going higher. You understand? So first is short inhalation, then is long inhalation. So like this. Same like exhalation. So first short exhalation and then long exhalation. So like this. So I am giving you the hand position, how the breathing is going. So first short inhalation, then long, then short exhalation, then long exhalation. So first short, long, short, long. So inhalation from the nose and exhalation from the mouth. So it will open up all the lungs area. It will rejuvenate each and every cell of the body. This is very powerful exercise. Very simple but very powerful. You can start with the 3 round and increase to 5 or 10 round of this practice. So we will start. So first you will look at me, then we will start together. So how I am practicing, my hand is here, body is relaxed, face is relaxed, my eyes are closed. So I am inhalation and exhalation. So are you ready to start? Come into the position. So this exercise you have to do in the empty stomach. Either you can do in the morning or evening, and you can do it 2 times also. It's very good if you do it 2 times every day. It boosts your immunity so fast, and after practicing this exercise you will feel the difference in your body. You will feel the energy, the potential, the inside the energy so much that no virus, no bacteria will harm you, no disease will come you after practicing this simple breathing exercise. So start, come into the position either in chair or sitting in any comfortable position. So gently close your eyes. We will do the 3 round, 20 20 20. After 20 round we will stop, and each 20 round we will stop, and we will do 3 round of this practice. Gently close your eyes Relax your facial muscle, relax whole body. Relax yourself. Get ready for the first round. Start. Stop. Feel the changes in the body and the mind. Feel the silence of the mind. Each and every cell is activated from toe to head. Each and every cell is activated. Feel the difference. Get ready for the second round. 20 times. Start. Stop. Feel the changes in your body. Each and every cells of your body is activated. Your immunity is getting higher and higher. Your immunity is so strong that no bacteria or virus will harm you. No outside bacteria can harm you. You are powerful. All the system is working properly. Each and every organ is working with this proper strength. Get ready for the last round 20 times with full energy, full focus on the inhalation and exhalation. Inhale from the mouth and exhale from the inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. Ready? Start. Stop. Feel the silence of the mind. Whole body is vibrating. After practicing this amazing exercise within 5 minutes, the immunity is boosted. Your immunity is higher. Feel the strongness in your body. Each and every organ is strong, is working properly. Scan your body from your toe to head. Bring your attention to each and every part of your body from toe to head. Now mentally repeat after me. My immunity is getting stronger. My immunity is getting stronger. My immunity is getting stronger. My each and every part is getting stronger. My organs are working properly. My each and every organ is working properly. My heart, my lung, my liver, my kidney, my pancreas is working properly. I am getting stronger. I am getting stronger. I am getting powerful. I am getting powerful. Repeat mentally with me. My each and every cell is activated. My each and every cell is full of strength, full of power, full of the energy. My each and every cell is powerful, is strong. My whole body is strong, powerful. No bacteria and virus can harm my body. I don't have any fear. I am powerful. I am strong. I am powerful. I am strong. No bacteria or virus can harm me. Feel your body inside. After practicing this beautiful exercise, your each and every part is working with its full strength, with its full capacity. Gently rub your both hands, make them warm. Rub, 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 rub. More. Feel the energy and give a gentle massage to your facial muscle. Again rub from up to down, up to down, down to up. Make it warm. Now massage gently with each and every part of your body. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. Hope you like this exercise and keep doing this exercise morning and evening, 2 times, morning and evening each day, and you feel after the exercise your mind is so calm and quiet. Your body will function naturally. You will feel quiet and calm. No fear will come to you. Thank you. Be happy and healthy. Keep practicing. Keep loving. And hope we all can fight with this virus. We can increase our immunity so no virus can enter into our body.